$180. That's what I invest every single week into my Charles Schwab account. No excuses, no skipping, just $180 week after week, building toward one goal, $1,000 per month in dividend income, enough to retire, enough to be free. This is Tony, and you're watching Tony Loves Investing. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down my exact strategy for building passive income. I have a $100,000 stock portfolio right now. Well, it's a little over $100,000. It's closer to $105,000. It depends on how the market is doing, but that's not the end goal. The end goal, $1,000 per month in dividend income, $12,000 per year without working. And this is how I plan to get there. If you're working a 9 to 5 like me and dreaming about the day you don't have to, this one's for you, because I'm not some finance expert. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube investing consistently and building my future. Here's how it works. Every week, I invest $180 into my portfolio. That's about $720 per month, or roughly $8,640 per year. Now, some of that goes into dividend stocks and ETFs. Some goes into growth positions. My ultimate goal is simple. I want $1,000 per month in dividend income when I retire. That's the number that changes everything. That's groceries. That's utilities. That's a portion of my mortgage payment. That's freedom. Now, here's the reality. I might not get there on dividends alone, and that's okay because I have a backup plan. If my dividend income isn't enough when it's time to retire, I'll sell some of my growth positions, take those gains, and convert them into high dividend paying stocks or ETFs. Reinvest that capital into income generators. That way, I hit my $1,000 per month target, no matter what. It's a two-pronged strategy. Build dividends over time, but also build growth so that if I need to, I can shift gears and create the income I need. Now, $180 per week is my baseline. But here's the thing, I'm always looking for ways to increase that number. Every time I get a raise at work, I bump up my weekly contribution. Every time I cut back on unnecessary spending, that money goes straight into my portfolio. And the older I get, the more I realize I don't need much to make me happy. It could be because I'm a man. What I do need is financial security, and that comes from investing, not spending. I even pitched the idea to my wife to sell a few of the decorative pillows we have and buy some stocks instead. She didn't go for it. Apparently, pillows are non-negotiable, but you get the idea. I'm serious about cutting the fat and putting every extra dollar to work. Let me break down the math. If I invest $180 per week, that's about $9,360 per year. Over 10 years, assuming zero market growth, that's $93,600 in contributions alone. Add that to my current $100,000 portfolio, and we're looking at close to $200,000, maybe more if the market grows. Now, if that portfolio yields 4% in dividends, that's $8,000 per year. Not quite $1,000 per month, but close. And remember, I'm increasing contributions over time. Plus, my dividends are reinvesting, buying more shares, compounding. But let's say I fall short. Let's say I'm only at $700 per month in dividends. That's where the backup plan kicks in. I sell off some growth positions. Maybe I've got 50,000 in SPYM or other growth stocks. I sell 20 or 30,000 and move it into high dividend payers, SPYD, SCHD, Realty Income. Suddenly, I'm at 1,000 per month, mission accomplished. The key to all of this is consistency. $180 per week doesn't sound like much, but over years, it adds up. It compounds, it grows, and eventually, it becomes life-changing. Most people, they spend everything they make, and they end up stuck, working forever. because they never built anything that works for them. I'm doing the opposite. I'm keeping my lifestyle simple. I'm investing the difference, and I'm building a portfolio that will eventually set me free. So that's my plan. $180 per week, building toward $1,000 per month in dividend income with a backup strategy to sell growth and convert to income if I need to. It's simple, it's consistent, and so far it's working. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Tony Loves Investing, and drop a comment. How much are you investing each week? What's your dividend income goal? I want to hear from you. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, every share is a step closer to financial freedom.